Yo, I cannot believe I got these Travis Scotts for so cheap, man. You guys are gonna watch this entire video, see what your boy picked up. Shout out to the GoDaddy for sending these over for your boy DaVincis, man. Let's get into the video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Again, thanks for tuning in. As always, man, we're here with another video. Like I said, we're gonna be unboxing some Travis Scott sneakers that I got for the low. I got them so cheap that I was like, yo, I have to get them. I have to show you guys what the cheapest Travis Scotts are right now on the market. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you do, please leave a huge like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. We got some more unboxings coming, some more clothing hauls. I'm thinking about tapping back into the early looks, but I need you guys to keep coming back, hitting that like button, dropping some comments down below, so you know what I'm saying, we can keep that momentum going, get these early sneakers, and we can chop it up about it down below in the comment section as always. My Instagram, my Twitter, all that good stuff will be linked down below, so make sure you go follow me over there. Like, so on Twitter is like probably the most, you know, resourceful, the most beneficial for you guys, because it's so simple to just retweet anything that's going on, like a shock drop, a restock, anything that happens, rumor mill, I retweet it. And whenever I do retweet, you can just kind of check out the replies and see what's going on as far as that expected release date. So with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. It's my first pair of Travis Scott's back into the collection, so hey, we're gonna see what these joints hitting for, man. Okay, here we have them, man. Again, shouts out to the GoDaddy. If you guys don't know who the GoDaddy is, that's my favorite spot to buy some of my Grail sneakers, go back and get on anything that I missed on, you know what I'm saying? And that's got a huge L, and I gotta pay resale. That's where I go, man. GoDaddy is my go-to spot. Recently though, I tried to buy a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I don't know if you guys remember when I unboxed the Air Jordan Low Stage Haze. I told you guys I had another pair of Air Jordan 1s. I bought it from GOAT, but the seller did not ship the sneakers in time, so I got refunded, and I was just like, you know what? Maybe it wasn't meant for me to have that shoe, but we have something else in this box from GOAT, and it's a pair of Travis Scott's. And I thought it was very interesting that anything Travis Scott touches usually is going for a lot of money. These right here, not the same story. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it real quick. Cut open the tape, man. GOAT is really good with packaging their box, but I don't appreciate how my box all dusty. Got my black pants. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is dust from the box. Gotta get that off, man. But let's go ahead and get right into it. And right now, down below in the comment section, man, let me know what all Travis Scotts you have in your collection. Like I said, I had the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, had the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scotts, I had two pair of Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts, the brown and the khaki, or the green and the khaki pair. I sold them, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'm gonna end up getting them back eventually, and that's why you guys are gonna be watching the whole journey of the new sneaker rebuild, you know what I'm saying? The sneaker collection rebuild up. I want you guys to tap into everything that I be, you know what I'm saying, grabbing and add to the collection, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You guys see it, nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and get into the box. The box is actually pretty dope. It looks like a pair of Air Jordan 1. It looks like an Air Jordan 1 box, but it's not. It's not at all. It looks like an Air Jordan 1 box. That's crazy. I thought this is pretty dope. So you guys got Nike right here. You got Cactus Jack logo on that side, Nike Air, and up top you got Cactus Corporation. Thought that was pretty cool on the side as well. And yeah, man, let's check it out, man. What you guys think I got for $150, bro? Pair of Travis Scotts for $150? Yeah, I ain't never heard that, you know what I'm saying? You probably ain't heard about it because you probably don't want the shoe. I don't know what it is. Air Trainer 1 CJ Light Chocolate Rust Pink. Got these joints in a size 9, as you guys can see right here. And you should already know what they are. You should already know what they are. Shouts out to GOAT. You guys already know how I come. Get that out the way real quick. GOAT sticker, got too many of them. And then we got some brown tissue paper. And let's go ahead and see what these joints is hitting for. I ain't gonna gas them up either, man. So here you have it. Check them out. We have the Cactus Jack Trainer 1s, and right now I don't know what this is over the front. I'm so confused. What's going on, man? What's going on, Travis Scott? But here they are, man. Let me see if I can pop that off real quick. See what these joints are hitting for under this debuncle of canvas material. See if we can pop that off. Oh, super easy. This is dope. Okay, so under it you get like a bunch of, what is this, like, what the fuck is this? I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys see it. It's just too much right there right now to read. But this comes on top of the trainer. You guys probably know all what this is. I'm not that hip on the trainers for the Travis Scott. And this is my first trainer ever in my collection. It's my first Travis Scott back in the collection since I sold a majority of my shoes, man. But these are unique. Let me put it like that. I ain't gonna say they dope. I ain't gonna say they fire. It's a unique sneaker because, like I said, you got a bunch of different hits, and I'm not used to seeing it on a trainer. The only trainer I remember even picking up is the he played for the Giants. You guys know what I'm talking about. There's a player that played for the Giants, and he had a pair of trainers everybody's going crazy for back in what, 2000, probably say 11, 12 time frame. I know you guys are going to comment it down below, but you got a backward swoosh over here. Of course, that's, you know, pretty much Travis Scott's. That's where he made his bread and butter, that backward swoosh. And I think it's pretty dope. Throwing on ones, throwing on trainers, you probably throw it on anything. I think it looks very nice. Got a Cactus.US Corporation little Velcro strap right here. And honestly, I do not see myself wearing these. I do not see myself wearing these at all. Maybe to the gym, you know what I'm saying? This might be a crazy gym shoe. And you got this little logo I've never seen on any Travis Scott before. Maybe it has something to do with the trainer or his new brand in the Cactus.US or Cac.US. And on the back, you guys see it. So I'm gonna give you guys a little comparison. So you got the one with the little canvas material over the top, and you got the one without it. Very dope, man. On the back, you have the zipper. Let's see how much stuff you can fit in there. I don't even think you can fit none in here. Oh, yes, you can. You can go in there. So you got a little zipper effect on the back. You know what I'm saying? Just a couple different hits on the shoe that make it unique. I'm not gonna say it's a crazy fire shoe, but you know, give it the benefit of the doubt that it does have a bunch of stuff that I'm not used to. I gotta say it's a unique pair of sneakers, man. Shout out to Cactus Jack, shout out to Travis Scott, Nike for making these joints right here. Cause yeah, these are a lot right here, man. So I know you guys probably wonder, man, how much I spent on them. Like I said, spent $154 and like 17 cents on these. They was the one for like 120 or 130. And I was like, it's no way that the Travis Scott is going for that low. When you hear Travis Scott name, you think of money. You think of $800 plus. You think of $1,000 plus. And if you're talking about Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, you already know what them price ranges him for. And just to believe I had a pair of Travis Scott 1 lows for retail and I sold them for cheap too. I sold them for real cheap. Probably one of my biggest regrets. Selling that pair. I think I sold it too early. And it was just a dope pair of sneakers. I don't know what I was doing, man. But 154 bucks. You guys can cop them right now on the GOAT app for under retail. I even got these express shipped for that price. I got them express shipped for 154. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? So it's just something that you can have in the collection if you want to. $150. You probably spend that on gas in about 2 weeks, especially if you guys don't like me. You know what I'm saying? You can go back at it, look at it, especially want to build up your Travis Scott collection. I know there's a lot of collectors out there watching this video. And I know there's some sneakerheads out there that will rock the Travis Scott trainers. But I just don't know how I would rock it. It got to be a real subtle fit. Nothing too crazy. But I do like the rust pink hits on the back. You got some rust pinks going across the entire sneaker. And then the whole, like I said, the little Velcro canvasy material effect. I thought that was, you know, unique, man. So I think they did a great job with this one. It's a fire shoe. Not to me, but it does have a bunch of dope hits on the sneaker, in my opinion, man. I got to keep it real with you guys. I'm definitely going to give you guys some B-roll of the Air trainers from Travis Scott, man. I think that this is a, you know, a cool collab, you know what I'm saying? Travis Scott pretty much kills everything he touches. I just don't know what happened to the resale value. So it's gonna be a good video. It's gonna be a lot of comments down below. So you guys let me hear it, please, down below in the comment section about these joints right here, man. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Subscribe if you enjoy the content, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that we drop. Like I said, all my social media links will be down below in the description box, along with my clothing brand UNKWN Collections. We got a drop coming very soon, so stay tuned for that drop. Thanks for watching again. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.